Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GaiAI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, GaiAI is the world's first creative AI and creative assets DAO, which is redefining visual creativity. Now every generation, every prompt and every image is no longer just expression but attribution, collaboration and value. By combining AI generation with blockchain based right attribution, GaiAI transforms creativity into verifiable on-chain assets, driving rise of a decentralized creative economy. GaiAI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 164.16 million. GaiX token is will list on Binance Alpha Exchange. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.